Hey guys, today I'm gonna use 100 Copic markers to color my drawing. And to make it more challenging, I'm gonna use A5 paper, which is even smaller than an A4 size paper. But first I'm gonna draw a rough sketch to get a rough idea of sizes and proportion of my drawing. And our sketch is ready. Now before coloring my drawing, I'm gonna ink it with my favorite manga ink and G pen. I love to use G pen as it gives accurate lines and it's really satisfying to ink with it. And finally, our drawing is ready to color with 100 Copic markers. First, I'm gonna color the character and then move on to the background. Our character is ready and the drawing already looks so cool. But so far I have only used 15 Copic markers and there are 85 more markers to go. But no worries, I'm gonna try to use all of them for the background. It's almost 6 o'clock here and it's already getting dark outside. So let's continue tomorrow with a fresh mood. It's the next day and I'm so excited to color this drawing as it's looking so good already. But using 85 Copic markers for the background is gonna be challenging. So let's hope we can do it. And I have successfully colored with 100 Copic markers, and by signing it, it's officially ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes and latest updates, and subscribe if you haven't already. That is all for today. I'll see you all in my next video.